10:42 p.m. Central Daylight Time, a severe thunderstorm was located over Cedar Hill, moving northeast at 45 miles per hour. This storm has produced 4-inch hail in Mansfield and Burleson.
What the frick?
This is a destructive storm for southwest Dallas County, including Cedar Hill and Duncanville
Nigga,
hazard.
softball-size hail.
hail.
No way!
Source, radar indicated. Impact, people and animals outdoors will be severely
There's
injured.
no way!
Expect shattered windows, extensive damage to roofs, siding,
Softball-size
and vehicles. Locations impacted include Dallas, Grand
Holy
Prairie,
shoot.
Mesquite, Desoto, Cedar Hill, Duncanville, Lancaster, Waxahachie, Balch Springs, Midlothian, Seagoville, Glen Heights, Red Oak, Hutchins, Cockrell Hill, Sunnyvale, Wilmer, Ovilla, Ferris and Combine. This is a dangerous storm.
Oh my
Prepare
god.
immediately for large destructive hail capable of producing significant damage. Move to a shelter inside a strong building and away from windows. This is a thunder.